Figure is bigger than the words. Our brain understands the pictures and figures very easily. That's why we use PowerPoint presentation to convince any difficult situations very easily. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will tell you that how can you create an effective PowerPoint presentation for your upcoming presentations. Well, this is just the public speaking coach as well as an accent coach. I will tell you top 10 ways to create an effective presentation, PowerPoint presentation for your upcoming presentations. Three things are very important to understand before creating any PowerPoint presentation. Number one, the date of your presentation. Confirm the date of your presentation, like when you have to give your presentation. Because it's very important to know the date, like the timing to create your PowerPoint presentation so that you can create an effective PowerPoint presentation and slides for your presentation, right? Number two, you have to remember, you have to confirm the duration of your presentation. Like what is the duration? How long you got to speak there, right? So you can create, the proper amount of the slides. Otherwise, you would have no idea to create how many slides should I create. If it is for 10 minutes, then create less. If it is for, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, then you have to create, more slides. So this is how you can create the proper amount of the slides for your presentation. Number three, you have to confirm the venue of your presentation, where you're going to give your presentation. Like if it is a small room, so you can create multiple slides and your audience can understand and see properly and understand that. So you can create proper amount of the slides. And if it is in any auditorium, like it's a big place, so your slides cannot be visible for everyone, right? They cannot look you properly. That's why you should not create a lot of presentation slides, so it would be waste of the time, right? So these things are very important. Now I will tell you that how can you create effective PowerPoint presentation. There are two kinds of PowerPoint presentation, ladies and gentlemen. Number one, TBP. TBP means text-based PowerPoint presentation. Number two, IBP, image-based PowerPoint presentations. So there are two kinds of PowerPoint presentations, and TBP can be used for a simple presentation and IBP can be used for the landscape. You're talking about land, you're talking about garden, you're talking about earth, you're talking about universe. So you can sell the pictures in that. So it's according to your presentation, that what kind of presentation you're going to deliver. So I will tell you today on my laptop that how can I create my effective PowerPoint presentation so that you could also create an effective PowerPoint presentation and you be the master of your presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Study with Jazz, this school of skills where you learn different kind of skills, like your presentation skills, interview skills, public speaking skills, anchoring skills, right, and acting skills, voice modulation, accent, right? So many things you learn on this channel. So subscribe this channel if you haven't yet. Right, let's go to the computer screen. Okay, right now we are on our computer screen. Follow all the steps to make a great PowerPoint presentation. First of all, open your PowerPoint presentation, like PowerPoint. I've already opened my PowerPoint. Let me open it here. Okay, you can see. First of all, we will go to the home section and we'll take a new page, right? We'll take a new page. This is a new, and click new. A new page, a new slide will be opened here, right? Now, 1, 2, yeah, you can see. You can see here a new page is opened, a new slide is here, and this is a layout, already made a layout. So we can change the layout as well, right? Layout, click this section and you'll find some already made the layouts. For example, title slide, title and content, and section header, to content, comparison, to title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. But I would recommend you to take a blank, because if you take a blank slide, so you can show your own creativity, right? Click on the blank. Here we have a blank, blank slide. We will draw it by ourselves. First of all, let's insert the text on this. Insert section, then go to the text box, create a text box, clicking left button, and you'll find the writing box here. So you can write anything, any heading of your presentation. For example, how to give presentation, how to give presentation. Okay, I'm taking this, how to give presentation. Now, remember the thing, you have to always keep your text size at least 30, right? This is the rule of Guy Kawasaki. Select all and then click here, then take it 30, and click enter. Now it's the size, it's a perfect size, everybody can see it perfectly, right? You can just put it anywhere in your slide, right? You can put it here, 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 anywhere. So I put it here.
And second thing, if you want to text something like headings in this subtitles, subheadings, so you have to go through, you know, the text again, like again insert and go to the text box and create one more text box, right? Text box. And if you know, write in the bullet points, so you have to click here, right, in the home section. Click the home section, and you will find here the bullets. Right, bulleted library, 1, 2, 3 library, numbering library, right? Because everybody understands the bullets very easily. If you mention here sentence-wise things, nobody will understand correctly. So try to make some bullets, right? First of all, click the home, then come to the bullet point or 1, 2, 3. For example, I write with the 1, 2, 3, so then I click here. I'll mention something here. For example, create a hook. First of all, right? Create hook. Okay, second, enter it, and already there, you know, you can find this number 2, create hook, and then make great content, make great content, make great content. For example, I have 2 things in this. So I have written here, and the text size I have to increase, then I will select it all, right? Select all. With control, you can also do control A, or you can select it fully, like click in this and select all the text here. Now go to the, you know, text size, put it also 30, 30, and enter is the perfect size. You can set it anywhere in your slide. And then the second task we have to do is we have to add some transitions here, right? Some animations to this text. So go to the animation section and then click on the first text. What kind of, you know, animation do you want? You want appear, fade up, or you can see many more, right? So I just prefer you to use fade. It's very nice for the headings, and this is the subtitle or the headings, points, bullets. Then click on this, then go to the fade or fly in, right? Let's see that how does it look like. So go to the slideshow and then click from beginning and click the left button. You'll see, yes, how to give presentation. Then click again, you'll find this. So this is how you can create a simple PowerPoint presentation. And let me show you what to do in the next step. Don't keep your background always white. Keep your background always black, because it's very catchy. It's very visible, right? So first of all, select all the text here and change the color of this white, right? Click on the right and then change the color. Change color white, and change also this color as white. So first of all, select this, okay, and then change the color. Where's the color option? Then you can search here if you don't find. Font color, you can see font color. Okay, it's now white. Now change the background of it, right? Background should be black. So click right button and then you'll find background here. Click to the background, you'll fill solid fill. Then click here to the black. Now it's visible. This is our ready form of our PowerPoint presentation. So you can create with text, you know, tables, chart, so many things in this. You can create diagrams, you can add some graphics, GIF, and if you want to learn it more, so you can visit YouTube channel Vishal's Computer. You can learn from there that how to make, you know, PPT and how to use Tally and all that. Let me show you my own made, you know, PowerPoint presentation. Okay, this is my made PowerPoint presentation I would like to show you here. Let's go to the slideshow and we'll start from the beginning. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now my presentation starts. First of all, confirm 3 things before making any PowerPoint presentation. These are here: date of your presentation, duration of presentation, and venue of the presentation. Date of the presentation is very important to determine, because you will be confirmed, you'll be sure that I have this much time I can prepare myself. And the second thing, duration of presentation determines your number of the slides, like how many numbers of the slide you're going to add. Okay, if it is for 60 minutes, so add more slides. If it is for only 10 minutes, so add less slides. And the third one is venue of the presentation. Venue means the place of your presentation. Where are you going to give your presentation? Is it in a room or in an auditorium? If it is in an auditorium, so it would be a big place, your slide would not be visible. That's why you don't have to create a lot of slides. You have to create very few slides. Okay, let's go to the next slide. You can see here 10-20-30 rule. 10-20-30 rule is proposed by Guy Kawasaki, right? The founder, the former brand ambassador of Apple, right? Mr. Guy Kawasaki. He has proposed this rule. He has told that we should use maximum 10 slides in our presentation, and the duration of presentation should be only 20 minutes, not more than this. If it is more than this, so it will be boring. So always keep your presentation time very less, and confirm to your organizer that what is the Q&A session timing as well. And the third one is 30 font size. Your font size should be 30, not less than this. If you just put it lesser, so nobody can see, right? Nobody can see your slide and text. And keep very less text on your slide, so it will be more catchy and more rememberable, right? More memorable. Let's go to the last slide. It's blank, by the way. Thank you very much for watching this.